it should be pretty clear that I love every little thing you do, my dear. I have one question: what are you waiting for? Starlight is written in my eyes. That I am smitten by you should be no surprise. Might I just mention, what are you waiting for? All of those wasted nights when love turned out the lights, but now the switch is thrown. So you and I are here beneath the moon alone. So hope you don't mind me saying this. I think we fixed the problem with some little kiss. Don't leave me hanging, I need to know the score. Oh, lover, listen to me now. What are you waiting for? So, in case you still don't catch my drift, I'm in love with you and that's the truth of it. So give me your answer, don't wanna wait anymore. Ooh, I just have one question: what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?